Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. Long time no see. So, in today's video, we're gonna go through a little tutorial I've prepared for you. Christmas shirts, Christmas sweaters. Oh man, there's money to be made and it is the season. So, stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online. So, if that's up your alley, hit subscribe, like the video, comment below anything that you need to know. Alright guys, here we are on Placeit. I do have a 15% discount code if you look below this video, so make sure you use that link. It'll help you out with 15% off. There's also all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals going, so I'm sure you can get a good deal at the moment. Anyway, today's video we're going to go through Christmas t-shirts and gear that you can be selling. So if you go to designs, you can see they've actually got a section here on Christmas t-shirts. And straight away you can see lots and lots of designs. So if you go through any of these, so don't be elfish, let's have a look at this one. And as you can see, you can change the font up here and change what it says. You can add text, obviously you can add a graphic. Up over here you can change colors of the text and the text effects color. Background, you always want to put this to transparent, because obviously that is what looks good on a t-shirt. You just want this design on the t-shirt, you don't want a background. So when you download that, that's what it'll come up with. And you can see these are the ones that are selected here. You can change any of these and then change the words obviously because it doesn't suit anymore. But you can also search more Christmas stuff here. And basically from there, just start customizing your t-shirt. So you can start playing with all these Christmas designs. As usual on Placeit, there's heaps and heaps of designs, so you can start going through there and customizing everything. So don't worry when you first see the shirt, like when it was Don't Be Elfish, maybe you just like the text and then you want to start editing it. You don't have to have exactly what it's showing on that front page. You can just start with that and then start editing from there. So click through and start editing. And then we'll come back to the main page here. And again, as I said, just start going through, click on any of them. Maybe you like the lettering, maybe you like the picture, click through and then you can start editing from there. As we go through all the pages, you can see there's just pages and pages of different ideas. So lots of t-shirt ideas for you to go and have a look at. So we can come across to Redbubble and I've just punched in Christmas there, and we can go from most relevant to trending or best selling. Now you can take these with a grain of salt, whether they're actually the most relevant, trending, etc., best selling, but what I use this for is just to get ideas. So if you start seeing shirts that are, let's say, in the best selling here, and you see them on other websites, on Teespring, take your ideas from there and make your own version of it, because obviously it's a popular design that's going around. And then you can always match in popular niches with Christmas as well. So you can see here, you've got Christmas and you've got cats. So if you were doing targeted Facebook ads, for example, then you would target people that love cats, people that love Christmas. There's lots of different ways you can combine things together here. You could use this one up here as like, people like cute things, it's cute reindeer, and then also Christmas. So just start combining some things together there. If you're going to do targeted ads, you don't have to, especially when you're using Teespring and Redbubble because they have their own traffic, but some of you guys have your standalone websites and then you would obviously need to bring traffic in, hence why you would be doing marketing. As always guys, just stay away from stuff like this. You know, there's a lot of things like this where it seems like, oh yeah, cool, it's a Star Wars theme thing. You can get done for copyright, so just be aware of that. And we're just over on Google Trends now. I like to look at this and just show you guys something to pay attention to. So obviously you can see that we are on the on-ramp to what's about to take off. So if you look at last year, from here onwards, this is why I'm making this video, just to let you guys know you should be making these shirts now and really pumping out designs, because look what's about to happen. People are just going to go crazy looking up Christmas stuff all the way up to Christmas time now. So it's the perfect time. We're right here on the on-ramp and it's about to launch. So this is the time for you to be making these designs and pumping them out, because lots of people are going to be looking for Christmas gear right around this time of year. And just keep in mind, you can come across to spring and you can just look up sweater, get a sweater like this, and then start your ugly Christmas sweater with any of these designs you can find on Placeit as well. So don't forget that. You can make ugly Christmas sweaters as well, which are really popular this time of year. I'll leave it at that guys. Make sure to comment below any questions you have, and please stay tuned to the channel as I start making more content again for you guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below. Check out my playlist because there's plenty of print on demand tips and tricks in there. And make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.